gonna take down a few trees. We're gonna put a pad right there where that pretty much a pad already is. We're gonna bring a few more loads and widen it out. Take down these 3 pines, throw them over here in this natural area behind us, and go from there. There's a power line or electric line runs right here feeding this water pump. Now I'm gonna see if I can't just break this root. Got it on the ground. Of course, didn't have the camera rolling. Had to come around this side and lay it down. We didn't hit the fence or anything up there. We're gonna hook to the other end with a chain. We had to cut the tree in two, and so could move it. But I don't want to just push on this end because the other end will dig in the ground. So we're gonna hook his chain on it with the tractor and kind of pick that end up, and then he'll pull and I'll push. Keep from digging a ditch in the yard. I'm out here getting ready to bring in some gravel. I got one load on the truck. I'm gonna build a 40 by 50 pad, 40 by 40, whatever fit right in here. Probably gonna take 20 loads of gravel. What I'm doing now, this was probably the biggest stump. This pine stump. See all these roots on it. See if I can't dismantle it a little bit, get to where I maybe can pick it up. Alright, I have beat, bang, well not really beat, bang, but I have pulled and chomped at that stump and got another pile of roots off of it, dirt off of it. And I think we're ready to go down the hill with it. One of my front idlers, so I don't really recommend doing that. Live and learn kind of thing. Ought to be good enough. So I got 6 loads in here. Got one on the truck, 5 on the ground. I'm gonna spread it with the excavator. Just hadn't had time to get the dozer. So I'm gonna put it on time lapse and give that a whirl. stuff's still wet. It didn't really do too bad. There's a spot right there. And I ain't for sure that's the same spot. It was a little soft this afternoon. I may dig that up tomorrow, repack it. Other than that, everything else seems to be doing okay. What we're doing on fuel. Alright, that's 6 loads. Just knocked down, run over. So I need probably 8 more loads. Something like that. Trying to do that tomorrow. Might possibly get finished tomorrow. If not, I could do it. Finish it up Saturday morning. So, alright. We'll hit it again. All right, so we got through with it. We got 176 yards in there. Everything went well. The first tree gave us little problems because that pump house right there was right where I needed to be to make the tree fall like I wanted it to. But had to move around 2 or 3 different times on each side and finally got it, the roots broke where it would go where I wanted it, not fall on the fence. But the pad gonna sit for a while. It's wet, but it'll set up nice. And he'll have his shop. Probably 3 or 4 months he'll have a shop on it. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hope y'all have a good evening.